What's up, YouTube? Lorenzo Harkins here, your host for A Flipping Good Life, where we talk about all things sales and marketing in the real estate investment space. Today, we are going to dive right into the 101 of what is wholesaling, how do I get into the business, average fees collected, and also why does it make more sense to wholesale when you're just starting off rather than list the house if you're a realtor or purchase it directly. Let's get into it. So why has wholesaling become so popular? Well, I'm sure if you follow any real estate investor on social media, you see all the ups and none of the lows. You see $5,000 assignment fee here, $30,000 assignment fee here, $100,000 assignment fee here, and it's piqued your interest to get into the business. Now, I can tell you firsthand that's not always the case. Wholesaling does come with its own set of risks. However, with the right amount of planning and the right marketing strategy, those things are possible. So what is wholesaling? Well, it's very simple. It's reaching out to find motivated sellers, getting purchase agreements signed by these motivated sellers at deep, deep discounts, taking that purchase agreement and then assigning it or selling it over to the end investor, right? Now that end investor may be a series of things. It can be someone looking to buy and hold the property, Airbnb the property, or fix and flip that property. Either of those are okay. All you're doing is you're selling the rights to this contract along with the terms over to the end buyer. Now you're doing all of this within your escrow period, so very important. So why wholesale a property over purchasing it directly? Well, if you have the power to just purchase the property directly, put in the funds it takes to close on that property, you have the contracting team that's gonna get the job done, and you know how to check your numbers, by all means, there's definitely more meat on the bone for you that way. But if you're just starting off in this industry, take a step back, get used to finding deals, wholesale a few of them first, reach out to either a team like mine or whoever is local in your market to partner up with you that does have the funds to help mitigate some of that risk. These are all the questions you need to ask yourself and answer correctly before you decide to take the leap and start purchasing properties yourself. So what are the average fees collected from a wholesaler? Well, traditionally about 5 or 6 years ago, across the board, it was about $5,000 or $6,000. Today, that fee has grown to about $15,000 to $30,000. That's huge. That's also the evolution of this business and why it's become so popular over the past 5 or 6 years. I even have people in our market that are doing $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 wholesale fees as part of their transaction. Not to say that something like that happens all the time, but it is possible. So how can you get into the business? Well, step one, hit the subscribe button below. Start tuning into more of these videos where we're going more and more depth into exactly how to find these good deals, the best marketing strategies to put out there so you can come across more motivated sellers, the right contracts you need to take deals down yourself that will do nothing but help scale your business to 7 figures and beyond. If your goal is to become the fix and flipper, or if you'd like to start adding to your portfolio and getting properties that you are then going to put renters in and keep yourself, wholesaling is always the best way to start off as a real estate investor. The better you get at marketing, the better you get at sales, the deeper discounts you'll get, which is more money in your pocket. All right, YouTube, thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Lorenzo Harkins, again, here with the Flipping Good Life, where we talk about all things sales and marketing. If you like this video, again, hit the subscribe button below. Share this video, please, with your friends and family. Have a good one. And have a flipping good life. And take care. Sayonara.